Some improvements were implemented in the 2013 version of SolidWorks, aiming at the fastest development of projects. Let's look at some of the major modifications of this version. The visualization of templates has been improved by adding the view selector, and we can access it by holding down the Control key and pressing space. See that the selector is shown, making it easier to choose the view. Just click on the location of the selector corresponding to the desired view and the template is updated. The view orientation box has also been modified. See that now, when you tap space and access it, the view selector is automatically displayed. However, we can disable it by clicking on this icon. Clicking on New View and creating a new view, see that it appears in a list, which allows us to save the view for use in other SolidWorks documents or even delete the created view. The Measure tool has also been modified. Now we can choose the type of measurement you want, for example, center to center, minimum distance, maximum or custom distance. We can modify the settings of units of measurement and precision easily by clicking on the icon shown. The measurement history has also been implemented, which allows us to view the list of recent measurements. You can also create a sensor for the current measurement by clicking on Create Sensor. Now we can directly input equations into resource fields, such as extruded boss/base, revolved, among others. Simply enter the equal sign and the desired equation in the depth and thickness fields. We also implemented support for units of measurement in the equations, allowing us to define different units of measurement in the same equation. However, the result will be displayed according to the unit system of the document. And the most interesting novelty of this version is the interoperability with previous versions, which allows you to open files from version 2013 and version 2012 Service Pack 5. Interoperability is only possible between consecutive versions. For example, it will also be possible to open files from version 2014 and version 2013 Service Pack 5. However, you will not be able to open files from version 2014 and version 2012. We can insert multiple components into the assembly. Simply access the Insert Components command and, holding down the Control key, select the desired files. When you confirm, see that the files are listed under Open Documents and the first of the list is displayed next to the mouse. When you click to position it, it is no longer displayed in the list and you can click to position the next component in the list. In the drill down it is possible to convert a view into sketch entities or block entities. Simply right-click on the view, click Convert View to Sketch and choose the desired option. Replace the view with sketch, replace the view with block or insert as block. We can also save a drawing view as DWG or DXF file directly in the property manager of the desired view. Simply select the desired view, expand the Save View as option, Click on the icon shown and choose the location and type of file to which you want to save the view. We can insert revision clouds by adding comments about the version of the file. Just click on the Insert, Annotation, Revision Cloud menu. Then click on the drawing sheet and drag the mouse, drawing the cloud. The annotation must be entered with the command note. And to group the note and the cloud, just go to the Tools, Align, Group menu and click on Group. Alright, we finished this class where we saw some of the key improvements implemented in SolidWorks 2013. To view all modifications, from the Help menu, go to the What's New document.